Do my part, I think. Coming this way. Yeah, I really, in the last video I zoomed into my mirror and the mirror looked messy, but it pays to clean my mirrors because you guys get a good shot sometimes of what's going on behind me. So yeah, I'm cleaning for your experience, guys. Look at this nugget. Oh, I'm a damn scooter rider. Look at this guy. He's fucking ruthless. Look at that crispy image. Crispy image. Look at the cyclist go. Yeah. Crispy image. Move, you fucking whore. Smash that hole. Fuck. Stoners on skateboards now. What is he doing? Which reminds me, there was a country that they swapped the side of the road they was gonna drive on. So I believe they started driving on the right instead of the left, and they put out the announcement saying, hey, this is gonna happen at midnight. All traffic is to pull over at the stroke of midnight. All traffic is to pull over at the stroke of midnight and change lanes to the new system. And a bit of chaos ensued. A problem they had was all the buses that were designed to let people off on one side of the street, they were now letting people off the bus into the middle of the road. 7.5 grand.
7.5.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's alright, innit?
What brand?
What's that?
What brand is it?
Oh, Honda.
Honda, okay. Fast, innit?
It's alright, innit?
Yeah.
Take it easy, mate, yeah? It's alright, innit? It's alright, innit? I waiting for? Fuck it up. What's up? Sorry, man. Oh shit, I've just remembered how to get there. He's going the wrong way. Shit. Sorry, dude. You're going the opposite direction right now. Fuck. You skedaddled away. One thing that's always confused me is King's Cross and New Cross Gate and Charing Cross Gate. I always get fucked up on them ones. It's just so confusing. What am I gonna do with all these crosses and gates? I've lived in London 95% of my life and I get fucked up on that.